King's Corners is a fun 2 to 4 player variation on Solitaire. To play, first deal 7 cards face down to each player, one at a time. Place the remaining pile of cards in the middle of the table and flip 4 cards face up around the pile in a cross shape. The player to the left of the dealer goes first. On a player's turn, they start by drawing a card from the face down pile in the center. Then they have the opportunity to play cards from their hand on the face-up cards on the table. To play a card on a face-up card, it must be one rank lower and the opposite color. For example, a player could play a 3 of hearts on a 4 of spades. Kings must be played in one of the available corner spaces around the 4 initial face-up card piles. Once an ace is played on a pile, no more cards can be played on that pile. Players can also merge piles as long as the piles are in the right sequence. For example, a player could move a pile with a 6, 5, and a 4 in it onto another pile with a 9, 8, and a 7 in it, as long as the 7 and the 6 are opposite colors. Then they can play any card in the freed-up space that they created. Once the first player has discarded all of their playable cards, the player to their left goes next. Play continues clockwise around the table until one player runs out of cards first and wins the game.